Hi, today we're gonna look at 5 new wooden puzzles in my collection. The first puzzle is called Star Path. It was made by Jean-Claude Constantin and has level of difficulty 4 of 5. Okay, let's open it. Here is the manual. We need to find our puzzle. Here is it. We need to rotate this puzzle and move the ball to the exit. And also we can look at the different puzzles of Jean-Claude Constantin. I already have this one, and here is the second one. And here is the next one. The package of this puzzle looks great. I like these wooden crates. The puzzle itself looks great. So we need to put the ball inside here and take it out here. We need to pull the ball through this labyrinth. It's impossible to take the ball out from this hole. You can only put inside using this hole. It will go something like this. I will make special video about this puzzle. There I will solve it. Something like this. So let's put it in the first position. It was like this, I think. Yes, it was like this. The second puzzle will be also from Jean-Claude Constantin. Let's open it. And here is the solution, and nothing else. The aim of this puzzle is to disassemble it, like this, and then assemble it. I will make special video about this puzzle. I think it will be pretty simple. I already got puzzle like this, but with the elephants. It was called Elephant Parade, and it was really easy. And the last puzzle from Jean-Claude Constantin, it is called Ship in a Bottle, the level of difficulty 3 out of 5. Let's open it. I think it will be the same manual. Yes, it's absolutely the same manual, and the aim of this puzzle is to disassemble it and then assemble it. And here is also the wooden crate. This puzzle is so beautiful, I like the color. We need to open this bottle, take the ship out, like this, and then assemble it. Here are 2 layers, the first layer, the second. It is kind of sliding puzzle. We need to move the pieces like this and then put it back. Let's assemble it. I think it will be rather difficult. I will make special video about this puzzle. The next puzzle is not from Constantin, it is from Siebenstein Spiele. I hope I pronounced it correctly. The level of difficulty is 6 out of 7. Let's open it. We need to put 10 pieces into the tray, so every single square will have 4 symbols. And here are the pieces. Just like this. And this layer. So we need to arrange it correctly, so every single square will have 4 pieces. It will be like, for example, here we have stars, and we need to put like this, I think, something like this, maybe. So yeah, here we have 4 stars, 4 squares, 4 circles, and so on. I think this puzzle can be difficult. 6 out of 7, it should be difficult. And the last puzzle, I don't know how it's called, but here is, I think it's the name, Cousin Closed Const. Maybe it's also from Jean-Claude Constantin. Cousin Closed Const. Okay, it's Cousin Closed Const. How does it translate? According to Google Translate, it is called Cash Register Lock. And I think it's from Jean-Claude Constantin, so it's Const. Let's open this lock puzzle. I think the aim of this puzzle is to open this lock. So now it's closed. kinda closed. And you need to figure out how to open it. Yeah, it's definitely the aim of this puzzle. There is kinda labyrinth inside, and moving these gears you can solve this labyrinth. And there is also will be special video about this puzzle. Subscribe my channel to see the solutions of every single puzzle, and thanks for watching. See you next time!